I cry to you, Lord. Lord, hear my pleading voice. Let your ears be ever attentive to the sound of my supplication. If you, O Lord, should mark our guilt, Lord, who could stand before you? But with you, Lord, there is forgiveness, that you may be revered. My soul is waiting for the Lord. I trust in His holy word. If you, O Lord, should mark our guilt, Lord, who could stand before you? My soul awaits the Lord with longing, more than watchmen for the dawn. Let Israel hope in the Lord, for with Him is steadfast love.